Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Play of the Week video. This is for the week ending 11/4/2018. The date this occurred was on 10/29, was on Monday. The stock General Motors. It occurred on a gap up. It was a tier 3 gap, but it had a pattern afterwards that made it fairly playable, and the entry was about 9:46 in the morning. Entry was on a 1-minute DTS sell setup plus, meaning that there was an advanced concept to the entry. It was a beat the tail type of entry. Management advanced, reward to risk 1.9 to 1. Let's take a look. There's nothing special going on at DTS this week, so nothing to alert you about. Just the seminar on Saturday, part 2 of the DTS seminar program, but that is a paid for event. Daily chart of GM. This is the day it was going to gap, and it was going to gap up right to there. That's what it looked like before market opened. It was on the list with a few other things, and after the market closed, it looked like that. This was a short, of course, looking for it to drop. It was a tier 3 gap, but as we'll see in a minute, after the gap, it also had a pattern that made it tradable fairly early. Here is the 60-minute chart, and this is what it looked like before the gap that day. The gap up on here was going to right there, and after the day ended, the stock looked like this. This was, of course, the target area. I didn't quite get to there, but that was the original target area. Had I walked away and gotten it there, that would have made the whole week pretty much. This is the 5-minute chart, and you can see right over here, this is the pattern that occurred that day. The gap up was right there. It ran up initially, and I took the short after that wide range bar and that retesting topping tail just off the high of that tail, 34.21, stop 34.51. I just barely got nicked out of going lower. I took a first target there at 33.91 because it was retesting the low. It just ticked me out by a couple cents and then dropped more. It would have been a better first target, but that's okay. Target 2 was 33.51, and I was hoping to have had a target 1 down there so I could have saved some for the very end of the day, but because I was done with 2 targets, this type of pattern could come back strong. You can't be sure, so I just trailed out the rest at 33.42 a little bit after target 2 was taken. So I did not get that last drop into the end of the day. Nevertheless, a nice play for one morning. This play, like all the others you see on these Trade of the Week videos, are done in the DTS trading room. By the way, if you're seeing this on YouTube, if you come to the DTS site and go to the free stuff page, you will see a whole collection of these dated that you can scroll through at your leisure. There is actually a year's worth in there. The DTS trading room is where we review all of these before the market opens, pick a handful of favorites, and very meticulously track them and enter them at the appropriate times. I've been doing about 5 trades on average per day, but we only sit there 2 to 3 hours on average, really staring at things and looking for the best opportunities. Until next time, this is Paul from DTS. Good trading, everybody.